3D shapes. 3D shapes are objects that we have in our everyday life. And here are some of the common ones. The first one we've got here is a sphere. Now, a sphere you might just know is a ball, so it's like a football. It has no pointy bits to it. It's a curved surface all the way around. Then we have a cube, which is made up of faces, which are all squares, so all the faces are the same. We have a cuboid, where the size of the faces differ. There's still 6 of them, and sometimes people think of this like a 3D rectangle. We have a cylinder, which has a circle at its base and its top, and then that circle repeats itself all the way through. Then we've got a hexagonal prism, where the face of it is a hexagon, has 6 sides, and that repeats itself all the way through. A cone, where you have a circular base, and then it goes up to a point, like an ice cream cone. Similar to it is a pyramid, which in this case has a square base, and then each of the corners go up to a point at the top. You can have different sorts of pyramids. You can have a triangular-based pyramid, as we've got here. You can have a hexagonal-based pyramid. What it means is that you have a base of one shape, and then they all go up to a point in the middle. Lastly, we've got a triangular prism, where you have a triangle on the edge, and the prism means that that shape repeats itself all the way through to the other end. So at the other end, there is also a triangle, a bit like a Toblerone bar. Now, some important terms. We have vertex. That's where the edges meet, i.e. the corners or the points. So, for instance, that's a point there. We have the edges, where the faces meet, i.e. the lines. So, for instance, this is an edge there in that shape there. And then the faces. This is the side or surface of each shape.